Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to drain the coolant, the antifreeze out of an Escape. Ford Escape, first generation from 2001 all the way until 2007. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. What you will need to do is you need something to lay on because it's underneath the vehicle on the driver's side. And after that, okay, you need to locate the drain port, which is right there. Okay, you can see that white port right here, and you can usually turn those by hand. Sometimes you have to use pliers or a wrench that size, but sometimes you can just do them by hand. Okay, and after you get them loose, it will start draining. You need to make sure that the cap on the top is open as well. You can see how it's draining now. And what you need to do now in order to drain it good, you need to open the hood and you need to remove the radiator cap or the reservoir cap, depending what you have. On the Escape it's pretty simple. Alright, just like that. So it's not creating any vacuum. And the whole system will drain pretty good. Make sure that the vehicle is level. That way we'll get the most coolant out of it. Okay guys, that's all the coolant. We got a little bit over a gallon, probably about 4.5 quarts. And it's done now. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and tighten the port all the way. Make sure you don't leave it loose because you'll be leaking coolant. And after you get it tight and you add the new coolant, always check for leaks to make sure that it's sealed good, because sometimes if they have something stuck in them, they will leak. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.